Be10x will be the one where they will be consistent, making sure that you are on the track for job hunt. So that is where it will help. Every time before going to the interview, I would ask ChatGPT that prompts, use that prompts, and ask them like, be as an interviewer, ask me these questions for these particular roles, and it would ask me the most relevant questions that I would get from the interview. So that is where it helped me a lot. And my resume also, it got optimized pretty good from that. Python and SQL learnings, it was like the most basic ones from the e-learning board of Be10x that helped. And also like while getting the interview question and getting the answers from the ChatGPT, it was never this much easy to crack an interview, I would say. You have to be part of working in one of these domains. And with Be10x, you'll get all the tools that you need to learn and upskill in AI.
Hi Chaitra, thank you for being with us. I would love for you to introduce yourself. What do you do? Where are you from? You know the drill.
Yeah. Hi, Aman. My name is Chaitra. I'm from Mysore. I am a DE graduate and I had an overall 5.8 years experience. And I have worked as a developer, as a tester. But meanwhile, like I was lost in between the track, getting to update in the technology. That is where I thought maybe AI was the thing like I have to go with in future. So that is when I contacted you guys.
So how did you hear about us? Was it through Instagram? Was it through YouTube? Did somebody else refer you? How was it?
It was through Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I saw an ad and they told like you could learn a higher CTC level package. So I was like, why not give it a try?
Okay, and how did you like our workshop?
Means I have had subscriptions of the online courses that I was doing to upskill myself, be it AWS or from anything like Udemy course. So there it was like, though we'll get an online schedule, it was not like one-on-one connection that I would had with the lecture. But in Be10x, it's like you guys being consistent and being a reminder, and it's about something new like every techie would have to get upskill with. So that thing, I think it was correct, that it was right for me.
Oh, that's great. We actually do pride ourselves in being very consistent and persistent. We do send reminders to our learners कि you have a class coming up. so,
Yeah.
so Chaitra, how did our program help you, or how did it help you transform your career, your life, however you use it for?
Okay, initially when I had the gap around a few months, I was just going through like the basic geeks for geeks.com or some tutorials points, Java tutorial points, or other website where I used to brush up my skill for the interview and prepare my resume like for the ATS course and everything. But when I came into the workshop, the tutors told me about the resume optimizers and also the upskilling method that we have to use for the prompting in the chat GPT. That helped a lot. Like every time before going to the interview, I would ask chat GPT that prompts, use that prompts, and ask them like, be as an interviewer, ask me these questions for these particular roles. And it would ask me the most relevant questions that I would get from the interview. So that is where it helped me a lot. And my resume also, it got optimized pretty good from that optimizer. And my LinkedIn profile also got boomed, I could say. I was trying that LinkedIn post and other things to get notified. And in that way, it helped.
So I noticed when you said your LinkedIn got boomed, you were the most happiest about that. Could you please elaborate on that a little bit?
Yeah. So initially, I was like not using LinkedIn for job search as much. Only like Nukri or through companies portal, I would go through the job openings and I would apply. But people stressing on LinkedIn and making a good profile gives an impact for the recruiters. This thing I got to learn from the Be10x team. So only I built my LinkedIn profile good. I added my profile picture only after joining this workshop. So before that, I did not had a profile picture also, and the basic info was very basic. So it was not good. So that way, it helped me.
would you like to share a little bit on how exactly did it help you? Did recruiters reach out to you? Did other people reach out to you for networking? How did it exactly help you?
Yeah, in LinkedIn, I would get posts like if you're interested, you could apply and send us the details, share your most updated resume. And same with the Naukri, when I put the resume optimized one that in the Naukri or other job portals, I would get the call based on that details. So in that way, it was very easy for the recruiters also and for me also to display my skills on the job board.
That's amazing. That's very nice to hear, Chaitra. I think I would like to ask you one more thing. So you mentioned that right before the interviews, you would ask ChatGPT to, act as an interviewer and ask me questions. So did ChatGPT ever give you the exact questions, or was the preparation itself enough?
The ChatGPT, I was preparing in the backend, that is also there. And the most skills that were asked was like SQL and the Python or JavaScript. Java is not still in the portal, but Python and SQL learnings, it was like the most basic ones from the e-learning board of Be10x that helped. And also, like while getting the interview question and getting the answers from the ChatGPT. It was never this much easy to crack an interview, I would say.
Oh, really glad that helped out. So, Chetra, what are your feelings right now, or what do you think about AI taking over the world right now? What I mean is, a lot of people were very nervous that AI will take away their jobs and they will be replaced and all that. Now that you are a part of our program, you have learned a lot of skills using AI. What do you feel about yourself and the job market and your career prospects?
To be frank, I was also in a Gen AI project in my previous company. So there I was not using AI that much. Then after joining this workshop, I got that slogan like these guys always use. Like only the people who are not using AI will be replaced, not the jobs. The person who is using AI will always be paid more. I think that is where I'm also heading towards in my career. And how it will help or it will not, it is depending on the person that is using the AI, how you are using and how promptly you're trying to make an impact. That will help, but basically you have to make the analysis on yourself, though it is all there. It's two-way, I would say.
And do you feel confident in the future with regards to careers, with regards to interviews, with regards to skills? Do you feel confident after having taken this course?
Yes. It helped me, like I would say, how to use a ChatGPT just for a minimal basic thing like preparing for an interview, resume optimizer. These are the very basic that every professional has to go through, and there it helped me a lot. So to get upskill also, next I would definitely use ChatGPT because it gives a very good response. Comparing all the websites, like I do not have to go and hit 10 URLs and get the summary. I have to prepare the notes and everything. The ChatGPT gives me the notes, referring all the 10 websites for me. So that thing I liked from this workshop that they taught.
That is exactly what we always say. Ki AI will save you a lot of time, will make you a lot more efficient. It's not that the information is not out there, but with the help of AI, you can collect the information very quickly and make use of it. So, Chetra, what would you like to say to someone who is thinking about enrolling with us?
Okay, I would say like if you have lost or if you are in a skill that is holding you back from that dream job of yours and you want to get a direction, like where you want to go, where you want to be in a big scale job, then I think AI is the future for sure. AI, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. You have to be part of working in one of these domains. And with Be10x, you'll get all the tools that you need to learn and upskill in AI.
That's great. That's great. Chetra, was there any moment in the workshop, in the mastery course, where you felt where it suddenly clicked in your mind that okay, this will change my life, or maybe this is how I can use AI to help myself? Was there any such moment, when you truly understood its potential?
Yeah, like initially while searching for a topic, we'll have one information in one website and the other information, contradictory information in another website. But coming to ChatGPT, it removes that bias and gives you the most legit output that we can say. If you give the correct prompt to that question, then you would definitely receive the good answer and it would be the best one.
That's great. That's great, Chaitra. Is there anything else that you would like to say to our viewers, to our listeners, to anybody that is going to watch this?
Yeah, like if you need somebody to guide you getting through a job and cultivate an habit, breaking that laziness in you and being consistent, putting that efforts to get the new job, Be10x will be the one where they will be consistent, making sure that you are on the track for job hunt. So that is where it will help.
That's great. That's very nice to hear, Chaitra. Thank you very much for this. We do try to give our best to everyone. Thank you very much, Chaitra, for the amazing testimonial, and all the very best.
Thank you.